Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. Today we are going to be unboxing the new Dell Pro 7-in-1 USB-C travel hub, the DA326. And if you are familiar with our old DA305 or DA310, this would be the natural transition. What's awesome is now we'll be able to actually pull two displays off this. So this is kind of like a pocket dock, which is awesome. You will see full-size display port, HDMI, USB-A, USB-A, USB-C with 100 watts of power delivery, and then another USB Type-C port. So really versatile. Let's jump into the unboxing. Ooh, pretty sweet. Look at this. Feels awesome. Oh, the cable's much longer now. Love it. Can actually do a lot more with it. Standard USB Type-C. So you will see that's the 2.5 gig RJ45 jack, which I didn't call out when I looked at the box because my thumb was over it. You do have your display port, HDMI. That would be the one with power delivery. You have the plug there, Type-C, Type-A, Type-A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pretty sweet. Good old puck. Slap on your hockey team of choice here. But I did also want to do a quick little size comparison. So this would be your DA310, so you do have similar ports. Putting them side by side. Fairly identical. You will see this one is going to be a little bit thinner, which is awesome. And what I did notice right away was our old cable used to be about this long, and now this new one, look at how much longer that is. Pretty sweet. So we'll set this up, drive two displays just to show you how this could be a mini pocket dock. I love that we do have this as a replacement for the DA305, DA310, and it's in the form factor that we all know. Let's unpack that. So we've got the DA326 plugged in. I'm showing you a dual monitor setup. Got my 27-inch display over here. I've got my portable monitor plugged in to the DA326. So this is using the DisplayPort cable. This is using the USB Type-C from the monitor. And now at the Windows level, you are seeing 3 screens, which is awesome. I've also got my peripherals kind of plugged in, my keyboard, mouse. This is a perfect little setup for that DA326. And as a reminder, you can do 2 screens, connect via DisplayPort, HDMI, USB-A, USB-A, USB-C, USB-C, and does have that 2.5 gig NIC. Making it real. This is awesome to see. Perfect. As devices get thinner and lighter, having a multi-port adapter, aka travel hub like this, is amazing. Thank you so much.